Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Best Buy gift card. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now remember, in order to use Best Buy gift card, you need to buy something on your Best Buy, and during the time of checkout, when you're trying to pay for that item, you can use your gift card. All right, you cannot redeem your gift card in advance on your Best Buy. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, you need to log in into your Best Buy account. So what you can do is go on your search engine and search for Best Buy. Once you search for Best Buy, you can click on the first option over here where it says Best Buy official online store. It's going to bring you to bestbuy.com, and over here you need to log in into your account. After you log in into your account and you see your username over here, so my username is Vichy, so it says hi Vichy, so you need to see your username over here. Once you see your username, you're good to go, you have logged in. Now over here you need to buy something which you want to. All right, so I'm going to buy a random thing over here, this little watch. I'm going to click on it, but you can buy whichever thing you want. All right, you don't just have to buy this watch in order to redeem your gift card. You can buy whichever thing you want. What you can do is click on add to cart, and this little watch is going to be added to your cart. Once it's added to your cart, you can see at the top right corner of your screen saying cart. So you can click on cart after adding the thing which you want to buy on cart. Once you add the thing which you want to buy on cart over here, it's going to bring you over here. Over here, click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, it's going to take you to the checkout section over here. So wait for some time. Now, once you're in the checkout section over here, scroll a bit down and click on continue to payment information. That's going to take you to the payment detail page. So wait for some time. And over here, what you want to do is click on use a Best Buy gift card store credit or discount code. Click on it, and over here you need to enter your Best Buy's card number over here. So after enter your card number, which is given to you on your gift card, and if you have a pin, you can enter it. If you don't have to enter it. Just make sure you enter a correct gift card number over here. After enter a correct gift card number, you click on apply, and the money which is on the gift card is going to be applied to buy the stuff which you're trying to buy. All right, so that's basically how you guys can redeem your Best Buy gift card. Just remember this: if your gift card is worth $3 and the stuff which you're trying to buy is worth $10, it's not going to work. All right, so just keep that in mind. It is going to work, like the $3 from your gift card is going to be used, but you need to put that additional $7 in order to buy that. All right, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.